Hello everyone! Pleasure to meet you. My name is Daryl. I am a TOEFL certified English teacher with a bachelor's degree in the health sciences. I'm originally from the Philippines, but now I'm living in the US. I am fully bilingual. I can speak English and Tagalog. If ever you're looking to learn Tagalog, especially the natural way it is spoken by native speakers, I can also help you with that. As a teacher, I will always want my lessons to be fun, fulfilling, and energetic. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. At the end of it all, we are here to help you build your confidence. I can give you activities, reading materials, quizzes, or videos if it will be suitable for your learning. I will always try to find ways to help you retain the knowledge and skills that we will be working on. Some of the aspects of ESL I can teach include grammar, pronunciation, conversational English, test preparation, and some aspects of business English such as writing letters or reports. O ito, Tagalog naman. Pwede rin kitang turuan o tulungan doon. Kung Pinoy ka naman at may pinaghahandaan kang exam tulad ng IELTS, makakatulong ako. And now, back to English. Before this video ends, I just want to thank you very much for watching this video. Always remember that in your language journey with me, we will always be working together. Goodbye for now, and I hope to see you soon.